Sometimes life can be overwhelming, so many winding roads that it's just hard to know which ones to take sometimes. I feel like I'm always trying to get to the next place as quickly as I can. It can even be dizzying at times, figuring out what to do and how to get there. That's why it's so important to just slow down and take a minute to look up. Look up at all the beauty that this life and this world has to offer. If we get so busy, we can miss out on so many important things that really matter. Of course, never give up on your dreams, and my motto is to just hustle all the time. But make sure that you take time to fill up your cup while you're getting there. Nobody can do anybody any good running on empty all the time. Take a moment to just breathe and be grateful. Listen to the birds and look at the clouds. Your to-do list will still be there, so take a little time to rest and rejuvenate, because I'm promising you it's good for the heart and it's good for the mind.